Summer is here. That's why us here at Ready Set Viral are going to be talking about some amazing patio DIYs. Number 1, patio ottoman. For this one, you're going to need some regular rope and then the color of your choice of linked nautical rope and a tire. First, use a drill to drill some holes in the center of the tire like so, and get your normal rope and pull it through the holes diagonally so that you get a web shape like this. Then, use some hot glue starting at the center to glue your linked nautical rope around in a circle like this. Once you're done and cover the entire tire, you'll have an amazing place to put anything on your patio. Number 2, hanging planter. For this one, you're first going to need a wire basket. You can paint it the color of your choice. You're then going to need some twisted poly rope and, using some hot glue, glue it down onto the starting position. Then, loop it around each of the wires on the basket until you get something that looks like this. Then, get a different color of rope and tie it around the basket like so. You don't have to make it as complicated as we have, you can just glue some handles on with the rope. Then, you have the perfect hanging basket for your flowers or plants. Number 3, personalizing a welcome mat. If you have a mat like this that you want to make look a little bit cuter, all you need to do is get some construction paper and cut out the words that you want to place onto your mat. Then, placing it over just like a stencil, use some paint, we used black, to paint the letters in, and then once it's all dry, you have the perfect personalized mat. Number 4, DIY fire pit. For this one, you're going to need to go to your local hardware store and get some easy mix concrete, some mesh fencing, some lava rock, as well as a fire pit starter. First, mix your concrete and put it into a plastic bowl. Then, using the same size plastic bowl, place it on top of the concrete so that it creates a bowl shape. Once it's all dry, prop it out of the plastic bowl mold and then get some mesh net and the fireplace starter and place it into the bowl you just made. Now, get your lava rocks and place it on top and you have the best fire pit for your patio. Number 5, DIY outdoor carpet. For this one, it's perfect for your patio. All you need is a canvas drop cloth, some stencil brushes, some paint, as well as whatever stencil design you'd like. We chose this one. All you need to do is paint it all over the carpet like so. Space it out how you'd like, but that's all there is to it. You have the perfect outdoor carpet once it's all dry. Number 6, watermelon rug. For this one, you're going to need to go onto Five Below and get a woven round rug. You'll need some green, white, black, and pink paint. You're going to start by painting the outer 2 circles with green, and then 1 row with white. You're then going to paint the rest of it in pink, and once it's dry, use your black to create some black triangles. And that's all there is to it. Once it's done, you'll have the most amazing rug. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!